Okay, guys, we got back on the highway and come over to Camden with Frank and Sherry again. Still, we're gonna go on down to the Tonka State Park, and I'll let Sherry get to see that. She has not get to see that yet. Now, Frank got to saw it last year, and then if you look at some of my other previous videos, you'll know that Frank and I was out running around on the Honda CR300L and the Harley Pan America back there on them gravel roads around that location. So today we're on the wings. We got the ladies with us today because they're not going to ride the adventure bikes with us, but they're going to enjoy the GoldWings with us today and get to go see that. Let Sherry see some things she has not seen. So I'm going to go ahead and turn my mesh on, and when he gets his on, or if he's already got it on, then you'll get to hear from him as well.
Mesh intercom on. Open mesh.
Oh, okay.
Channel 5.
He evidently did.
Well, hi, Frank.
He did. About time you get back on here.
Are you ready?
I'm always ready. I'm always waiting on you.
Okay. You're not waiting on me now.
I'm always waiting on you.
This ship has set sail.
That sailed.
So I don't know which way this guy's going, but... Alright.
Same way you were.
Yep. We're gonna get over that next lane.
After this car here, you can.
I'll just do it now. I won't wait.
Flash pedestrian, but I didn't see one. You hear me?
Yeah?
There's a cop car.
I didn't see one.
He was in that middle lane.
But I'm just saying, I didn't see nobody walking.
No, I was talking about the cop.
Oh, yeah, I wasn't worried about him.
And Mark's car.
Yeah. They got two or I guess three of them now that are white ones.
I don't worry about the law. They know I am the law.
You're so full of it.
Scuttlebutt. You're a scuttlebutt.
It's a good thing my feet are up on the runner board. It's getting deep.
Didn't
They
he?
got pecan laws.
I used to have one of those at Branson.
Yeah.
Except for it sewed t-shirts.
Yeah. Tribute stuff, kind of like the dog patch.
Dog
Patch.
Dog patch, yeah.
Dog wood patch.
Yeah.
You gotta put that wood in there.
Yeah.
It's the dog. It's made out of dogwood trees.
Yeah.
And you're the one who lives here by it.
Yeah.
Now, Frank, I don't know if I mentioned this, but since you're on that old GoldWing, if you fall too far behind, don't be afraid to honk.
I'll try. I'll try to keep up. If I can't keep up, you go on. We know where we're going.
Okay.
Beep, beep.
Left says, wait a minute. They're getting to hang out further vehicles than I am.
He's enjoying himself hanging out the window.
Yep. He says maybe if I can get my head farther out, I'll get fresher air. Too bad you didn't.
Check out our...
What?
Go ahead, Sherry.
That sign said check out our $499 pizza.
Oh, yeah?
They forgot the decimal point.
Too bad you didn't work on that drone, Frank. You could have flew your drone over here.
Yeah, you know.
That's what I'm hoping. The old Ha Ha Tonka State Park. This thing's located in Camdenton, Missouri.
I thought it was down the country.
It is, but it's still Camdenton.
Why was it named Ha Ha Tonka?
Yeah, I don't know.
I'm mad that's the Indian name.
Could
Well,
be.
I figured that, but sometimes you just like to find out why something got named.
It probably says somewhere on the sign down there.
It was a newspaper over in Kansas City originally. It's built in a car, Brad.
God, he'd be wanting that KLR.
Nope.
Okay, I guess I'll do my intro. I'll hit my button here and turn you off.
Yeah, I had you all on. Frank wants to do his intro. I guess he decided not to do it at the gas station. I did it up there. I know, but I did it up there so they could see how to get to the park. Yeah.
Sherry.
Sherry's still on.
Yeah, just try not to talk.
Oh, you can still talk.
Not too.
You're not gonna. He turned his mesh off, so he'll never hear you.
Unless he picks it up behind.
Yeah, I just want to be quiet.
Yeah. I'm not very quiet. You'll be able to see some of the lake down here on your right. You'll really like this up here, Sherry.
Connected.
Ride connected. That's hashtag ride connected.
Right.
This is also a perfect example of our folks are going to get to see and hear our wives talking on this video
Yeah, hopefully it turns out good.
using that new helmet modification you come up with.
Hopefully we got it adjusted good.
I think we did.
I just shut my visor. So
I came down. So I came down here before with to this Ha Ha Tonka State Park, and I'm with John last year. I've never seen any Tonka trucks at all down here. You don't have to worry about your visor. Tia don't have to worry about her because we're not doing it that way. You don't have a mic in your helmet right now.
That's right.
Oh, I don't?
Neither does Tia, no.
No.
Why?
They put them inside there.
We done
We're
a
trying a different setup. I got a mic right inside here, right beside this speaker. So whenever you're talking through in the speaker, here's the microphone, here's the speaker. This should get the audio.
See, it probably got Sherry on his intro.
no. When he turned his mesh off, you could no longer hear Sherry.
But
Well,
that's why
I tried to stay quiet because when he's doing that, he told me not to talk, so I was trying not to talk.
You can't always trust a Frank.
yeah, you know,
Well, he is a trustworthy guy though.
it's all good. Stuff, so.
That's
Climbing to up here.
How high is it?
Is it?
we are at almost 900 feet.
Aha, Tonka. Hope for the parking spot. I think we parked up there along the fence.
Yeah.
You can't park over there.
No parking.
You
Where
got
else you don't park if there's no parking spots? You don't park.
do it. I'm gonna do it right here, just like this, like I always do.
Don't get in trouble for parking like.
Mesh intercom off.
All right, guys. So we're here at the Ha Ha Tonka State Park. We're gonna walk around here with Frank and Sherry a little bit, and I don't know that we'll include this on the video, but you can see. I will at least let you see this before I turn my camera off. These are the two workers' houses, what used to be. And of course, there's the old castle. I have several videos in my playlist that you can go back and look at where I've actually flew the drone up there and done that as well. And the watershed that is located up here. This is where they got their water from. So again, as always, guys, thank you so much for watching the channel. And we will definitely put you on the next video as we go to enjoy the rest of the day. You guys have a great day.